go to lessons probably from 8 a.m. to around 2 is what he was thinking. He originally was going to have to start at 7, and he said 8 was more civilized. So a little bit later, but looking at the weather, it should be not too hot, pretty breezy, good weather for sailing.
While learning to sail, Adam mostly preferred being at the helm. Meanwhile, I helped crew and maintain the sails. However, we did switch a few times so we could each be familiar with our roles. After a few hours, we hopped onto our friend's sailboat to make it across Lake Pleasant to Scorpion Bay Marina and Restaurant. We had a late lunch and we were hoping to get another short sail in.
I just ate it.
You ate the whole thing?
Yeah.
She said be careful for a reason.
Drop the clutch though, eh?
Oh, what a cool sail. Okay, start turning. Just ease her out just a little bit. Now the wind shifts it again, so you just come in a few clicks.
We loved learning to sail on Lake Pleasant, but if we could do it again, we maybe wouldn't have picked the hottest weekend of the year in the desert.
Oh, we gotta make sure we got our chicken salad up front.
Okay, and we just got home from a long day sailing for the first time. We have a beautiful sunset. So it's been a long day, but it's worth it. Now we get to see our dogs, who will someday sail with us. We are on day 2 of sailing lessons with Victor. And then today we are gonna hopefully got a hitch for the Jeep to get the boat attached. So hoping to get it cleaned up, get the boat all cleaned up today.
Yeah, we're gonna pull it out of the dry storage lot, take it over to Victor's shop, and he's offered to lend us some tools to clean it with, which is great because we've only ever seen it really dusty. So make it nice and pretty before we get it on the water.
Yep. After I teach the dogs how to be good around other dogs.
Our Chrysler 22 was a perfect sailboat to learn on, and she pulled nicely behind our Jeep Grand Cherokee. Heading to clean it up, see if we need new sails or new rigging or a new boat. First time we moved our boat. A little wind blown.
Looking frizzy.
You can tell she just had a shower.
That's a nice sleeping space there.
Do you use a like a nappier brush or one that's
Yeah, or even a foam brush works fine because you're going to use flat white paint, not shiny.
There's the donkey.
okay? We need to take note of this one.
There's a
I'll give
donkey
you a
over
shopping
there.
list of everything.
Okay.
Other than which,
You know what you're doing up there?
No. What's up? How's it going down there?
It's hot.
Good. He's gonna come out and we're gonna retension the rigging. Which never would have occurred to me in a million years, so.
But he said that the rest of the boat,
Yeah, his exact words were, I wouldn't change a thing about this boat, it's ready to sail. That was like the best thing we've heard all day.
so we're ready to go sailing, right? We take it out today. It's hot today. I think it's about 110. We've almost got our boat ready. It's all clean, ready to go. Exciting.
okay. Miss Lauren, hang on to that one.
Okay.
Do not let me pull it through the mast. This one goes there. This is now your main, right? And then this one, oh, it's so close. Rotate it just a hair.
After a full afternoon of cleaning and rigging our boat, we cleaned it up and headed back to our apartment in Ahwatukee.
much wind today.
Not at all. No wind at
No
all.
wind.
Breeze going. And you go 3, 2, 1.
Just gonna run it right up.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a nice place to anchor, really.
No, 2 fingers. Nope. Nope. Yes. Okay. Good. Nope. And now we put some tension and we do the other one on the other side. Okay. It's always one